What you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back with another video for you guys today. Now, of course, today's Monday, and somehow I have managed to bring you guys your money motivation for this week. Now, as you guys may know, or you maybe don't know, I'm still on my little mini vacation. I return home tomorrow, but I still thought I'd make a little video for you guys, for this week, get you up and ready for the upcoming week, all the good stuff as always. But today's message for Monday motivation is actually do not give up. And the reason I'm going to talk about that is because, while I've been on my little trip, I've learned a few things, from a few different people. As you guys know, I like to socialize, talk to people. And, not least the people who own this house, the homeowners. They have, I've learned a lot of things from them just purely by their business model. And also, if you don't know about their business model, maybe I'll show you around in the room in a couple of seconds. But either way, what I want to say is the message for the week is do not give up. Now, like I said, I've learned this because from talking to people over the last few days, I've learned, I've heard some different things, interesting stories. And I really do think it's important that you guys understand you shouldn't give up, because there are plenty of times you don't feel like going anymore. You're tired, you're fed up, some bad things happening, you want to give up. Eventually, it is always worth it. And like I said, in fact, let's go now. Let's just talk, have a little bit, look around. It's morning time, so I've just had my breakfast. There it is. Some food there. But like I said, if you don't know already, I've told people already about this. I showed you guys, a little tour last week, but they've got a nice little setup here. Now, the thing is, they actually have this setup now and, it's working for them, but it hasn't always been that way. Now, that's why I said the people who own this place and, renting out, different rooms out are doing really well for themselves. And they've got, like I said, every single room has a TV. As you can see, I'll just show you around. The TV. It's got a fridge. Every single room has this, by the way. A kettle, some breakfast stuff, a nice mirror, a wardrobe, your own bathroom, which is actually quite fancy because it's pretty much like a hotel. And as you can see, they have the little, the things you can come in hotels. So that's really nice. Again, it's a great setup. Everything is modern. Also, look at this. No touch. Where is it? There we go. Excuse my fancy dress. But yeah, like I said, I learned from them because I did ask about it. Because as you guys know me, that's just how I am as a person. I did ask about it. And also a nice little view there. But yeah, as you guys know, I like to ask questions. So I did ask them about this. Because I would like to do something, like this in the future. Every single room actually has its own lock on the door, so it literally, you feel so safe, you feel so comfortable. It's unbelievable. You feel like you're in a hotel but in someone's house. Like, hospitality is great, everything's amazing. But yeah, I did ask them about this, and now they're apparently on Booking.com. Got 9.7 star ratings out of 10 and all sorts of stuff. Like, they're well known apparently, which I didn't know before. But as I said, it hasn't always been that way. So this is now the real motivation for this week. So they tried to do something like this 10 years ago and struggled with it, and it did, it wasn't really working. They were obviously paying for a pretty expensive house and paying for it all themselves. And that was when they were in their, I think they said late 40s, because I think they're just about to turn 60 now. But yeah, it hasn't always been that way. So they did struggle doing something like this, in the past. Not really many people coming in, visiting and, staying, because obviously people back then were still used to hotels. It's only last, I'd say 4 or 5 years where people have started really using Airbnbs and stuff like that. But yeah, it hasn't always been that way. First struggled with getting people to come in. Also had an issue with, because the way the house is set up, it's like a massive gate, and then there's this house and then there's another house right behind it. So it's like gated, kind of. But yeah, the old tenants of the old house always had issues, with these guys renting out, different places in their house, different rooms. I don't know, some legal stuff happened, whole scenario. These guys who own this actually won originally, and then the other person apparently is so cunning or whatever that they managed to stop these guys from hosting people, which it was a crazy story. But either way, my aim today is to help you guys understand that the important message behind this video is not giving up. Because like I said, they've gone through all sorts of stuff before they got to this point. It's easy to come in here, sit down, look around and say, oh yeah, this is really nice, I wish I could do this, oh yeah, they're lucky. No, they really went through it. They've been trying this for ages. Maybe the creation of Airbnb itself as a website really helped this, kick off. But the fact that they're able to host people, they're able to get revenue, probably, like I said, get everyone to pay for their rent each month, all of that stuff is great. And, you know, we feel, you know, us who stay here feel comfortable. You know, the person I spoke to the other day, he works at the airport, London Heathrow. If you guys don't know what that is, like 20 minutes from here. He works at the airport. He's been here a whole year. He's staying for 1 more month. And he loves it. He absolutely loves it. He's got plants, you know, planted around the house. Maybe I'll show you in a second. In fact, yeah, let me just quickly show you now. It's just funny. But that's what I'm saying, guys. It doesn't get to this point. It's not easy to get to this point. You know, before people are really here, bringing in that revenue, doing all that stuff. You're going to have to struggle. You're going to have to go through people trying to knock you down, all that kind of stuff. But you don't give up. Let me just show you quickly these plants so you guys see it and, you know, I don't know. There's a lock on the door, by the way. Pretty sick. There they are. Nice, huh? And then some more there. Pretty cool. But yeah. Like I said. Yep, anyway. But yeah, like I said, it was not easy for them to get to this point, which is why I tell you guys never give up. You may have a business idea, a plan, maybe it's even your YouTube channel for you, and you're going to struggle. You're going to go through difficult times. But guess what? Eventually, you live in the good life. You know, I think they're just chilling downstairs right now. They just do whatever they want daily. That's what they've been doing, at least while I'm here. I'm pretty sure they're retired. So that's another thing for you guys. You want to retire early? Do not give up. That financial freedom can come. And who knows, maybe they've got more properties like this. Maybe they've got family members doing the same thing. Who knows? I don't know. But there are enough people I've met staying here who are loving it. And that tells you, you know, like I said, speaking to the owners, understanding the story, understanding how this all happened, how this all was constructed, it tells you guys to never give up, honestly. This has really motivated me itself, this experience being here. You know, honestly, I've had business ideas which have failed, and sometimes I have given up in the past. Now I know that if you really want something, you really have a plan, you really want to try something out, do not give up. Keep pushing. That's why I'm motivating you guys this week. That's why I'm putting this video out on my Monday morning, you know, while I could be doing something else. But yeah, I want to always help you guys, motivate you guys, get you up and ready for the week. But honestly, it's been such a lesson and a blessing to be here as well. And that's also why I always tell you guys to travel. You see, you always learn something, whether you like it or not. It happens. As long as you know, open your mind, you socialize, or you do stuff, get out and about, you always learn something. But yeah, hopefully, maybe tomorrow or the next day, we'll be back to normal videos, consistent daily videos for you guys. I've also been thinking about my YouTube channel a bit while I'm here. We'll see what happens with that going forward. But like I said, hopefully you guys are up ready for this coming week. Hopefully you guys do not give up on whatever you're trying to do, your goals, your dreams, your targets. Remember, I'm trying to help people become better each and every day, more consistent, closer to their goals, closer to their dreams, more in control of their time, more closer to financial success, more closer to financial freedom, all that good stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my little moment of motivation for this week. Hope you guys appreciate my efforts. It's not the usual video, but something different. But either way, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. All those things, all 4 of them, do that. Also check out those links in the description. We've got a free guide to online business. We've got free stock for you guys, free cryptocurrency, my affiliate marketing program for my smartwatch company and with my smartwatch company as well. Time Gear Watches, check that out, link in the description. But that's today's Monday Motivation. Go out, have a great week. Do not give up anything you're trying to do. I've been Money Management and I got money making. You've got success to be chasing. See you guys tomorrow for the next video. Peace.